Today is the 22nd of June, Thursday. Wife and I just picked up this John Deere Z 225 zero turn. Last year made on these was 2012. It's got a Briggs and Stratton 18.5 horsepower, but the engine's blown. It's got a hole in the block. Bought it from an older couple over in Gladewater, Texas. That's pretty close. The mower deck is 2 years old. It's been replaced, and they just changed the blades 4 hours before they blew the motor. I got to do more research, but I already looked up some pricing. This John Deere Briggs and Stratton is under $1,000 for an entire engine, and I'll do some research and see what kind I want to get. 400 and something hours on it. She told me, but I forgot already. It's got an hour meter on it somewhere. Right here, it looks like. There. $404 hours. Wiring's not terrible. Appears to be intact. Once I get all the encumbrance off of it, should be a fairly easy engine swap. So yeah, no rat nests. Appears the belt's intact. Looks like a new belt. All in all, not terrible, other than a blown engine. How that happened, who knows. Also came with about 10 gallons of gasoline. Either the wrong kind of oil, didn't change the oil, ran it low. There could be a host of issues. Again, it don't really matter because I'm going to re-engine it anyway. Air cleaner, not terrible. Not bad at all. So, little project. Price point was right. I only paid $300 for it, and I believe a new deck, just the deck, is over $800. They had it serviced by a local shop over in Gladewater, Texas, but anyway, something happened and it blew the engine. Got a hole in the block. So that'll be fun. I'll get it going. And the tires are even decent. Brought my little gen set up here. Power's still on at the house, so I brought it up here to do a service on it, get it ready for the next time. The fuel shutoff valve has got a drip, so I definitely got to change that. It only drips when it's in the on position. When it's in the closed position, it does not drip. Little $2 valve, ain't no big deal. So I'll get it serviced and take it back to the house, put it in the garage. And came into the building, it was nice and cool, 74 degrees, but I had to open up the big door in the back to offload this mower and generator, move tractor around so I can get everything in here, and lost all my cool. But it's cooling down again. I love that little mini split AC. Well worth the money. And it did not rain last night, so my herbicide should do fine. Anxious about that. But yeah, this will be my next project. I'll pull some covers off so I can get the model and serial number off the engine. Make sure I bring in the correct one. And it'll be fun. That's all for this one. Thank you.